Welcome back. In this video, we walk you through the process of adding a new customer profile directly from the admin dashboard. They can assist customers with password recovery and add loyalty points to their wallets. After logging into your dashboard, start by navigating to the My Customers section from the main menu. This is where all customer profiles are listed and managed. Click on the Add Customer button. Here, enter the customer's basic details. Now, click on Submit to create the customer profile. The new customer will now appear in your customer list and can be accessed anytime. From the customer profile, admins can assist with actions such as password recovery, updating customer information, or managing loyalty points. Customer login process. Customers will log in by entering their email address and password. After that, the customer can view and update their details. Now we'll see how to manage loyalty points. Enter the points and click on Apply. On the customer profile, you can view the points in the wallet. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials to get the most out of your dashboard.